Hello everyone! This was filmed during the rainy days between late September and early October 2023. I loved my stay in New York even with the rain. It was such a good time. Just sharing a quick few moments here in the food vlogs up on my channel if you want to see more. Thank you for watching.
Chasing a ghost, you gotta change your mind if you're gonna let go. No matter how you feel, nothing's holding you up. Nobody holding you back from the life that you are.